Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for H&R Block. H&R Block Free Online lets you file your simple returns for free. File from anywhere on any device, anytime. Open the website hrblock.com, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, click on Create Account button. Now, enter your email address, phone number, and username. After entering the required information, click on Next. Here, on the first field, enter a password you would wish to use. Then, enter it again on the second field to confirm. After that, click the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions to confirm your sign up. You could also click the tick box beside remember this device, but it is only optional. Then click on Create Account. Lastly, a code will be sent to the number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it on the verification code field. Now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for an H&R account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.